So since this is the solution to the problem also states that the problem 67 is the same problem, but with a larger input. I would like to give it a try in this video as a complemental of the solution, which is maximum path sum number 2. So again, it's the same input here, starting at the top triangle below and moving to the adjacent numbers on the row below. The maximum total from the top to the bottom is 23. It's the exact same problem. So they say find the maximum total from top to bottom in the triangle.txt, which is a 15K text file containing a triangle with 100 rows. Right? So it is a considerable bigger problem. They even put a note here. It's a much difficult version. It's not possible to try every route. So if someone did that in problem 18, it would not be possible here. There are 2 power 99 solutions altogether, right? So we would have to check 1 trillion routes per second. That's too much, right? So it would take like billions of years to check that. So there is one way to do it, and we already implemented. So the solution for problem 67 is the same solution to problem 18, just a different input, right? So I would like to create here separately, right? So I'll just create here a Python problem 67, okay? And I would like to save this triangle file here somewhere. Ooh, that's a big one, okay? I'll just save it in my downloads first, but then I will pass it there. Okay, we have it here. It is a bigger file. Yes, it's such a big file. So what I'm gonna do here then is just organize my problem 18 a little bit so that we can use it in problem 67. So here what I will do is to create a function here. So def solve triangle matrix. So given a matrix, which will be a list of a list, give me a final result. So solve the triangle matrix path sum, maximum path sum. So given matrix, return max path sum. And here we're just going to do all of that. And it shall return the max here, okay? That should be it. So I just want to test the matrix just to make sure my problem 18 is working as intended. It is. So problem 67, then I'll have to do a different input, but I wanted to import this matrix here, okay? So let's go then, problem 67. So here I have to read the input not from a text like this. I'll have to read it directly from the file. So let's just then open this file, 0067, read. I will read it as a matrix, so thing.close, and the same text processing here shall be the same, right? So if I were to print, it's going to be too large. In this case here, I'm also going to import. So from problem 18, import, what's the name of it? Okay, dot problem 18, import solve triangle matrix. So just going to pass the matrix here. The solution is the same. So let's just try it to see what the result we get. And there is a problem. Oh, of course, I cannot just call it like this. I have to call it by a module. And there is no such file, of course not, because I have to pass here problem 67. Okay, let's run it again. And we have some issue here. Is it because the file has some issue? Oh, it is. There is an empty row here. Oh, that's a problem. Let's see how we can fix that. Okay, I can just apply an iStrip here. That should do the trick. Yes. So reading the file, then we have two solutions here because I'm importing the problem 18, so it shows the solution to problem 18 here as well. But to problem 67, it has a different solution, which is this number here. Let's give it a try to see if this is the right solution. Pasting it here, checking, and it is right. So very brilliant here, very elegant. We could solve problem number 18 and the problem 67 with a very elegant dynamic programming solution. Every time that we can solve a problem via dynamic programming, I will go for that solution because it's the best way to solve it. Thank you so much for your viewing this video. Thank you so much for spending your time here. If you liked it, please press the like button, share, subscribe if you can, turn on the notification bell, that helps a lot. And I will talk to you guys later. Peace!